am Jigar Pandya from Rai University, Ahmedabad, here to present the basic lecture on the basis of some of the web development technologies, right? So ultimately we are today here to cover the online platform for the web development, right? Our main concept for today's lecture, it is for the web development, which is based on the online open source technology, which is the PHP, right? First of all, that PHP, what it means, or what is the full form of these three letter words PHP. First of all, that there are two different meanings or two different names of the PHP. First, it is the personal homepage. In the eras of 1970s or 1980s, where the PHP were developed, at that time the meaning of PHP is limited up to the personal homepage. Means what? It was developed for, PHP was developed for only the purpose to decorate a specific windows or a specific form of a web in an attractive way, or in a way for the dynamic content uploadation. But nowadays the meaning of the PHP is totally changed in some ways, where PHP can do the performance work, as like it can execute some of the extraordinary scripts and the programming even within it, right? So nowadays the PHP is pronounced as hypertext preprocessor. The another name of PHP is, yes, hypertext preprocessor. So ultimately there are two different name of the PHP. Older name is the personal homepage, the newer name is hypertext preprocessor. Okay, now PHP is a scripting language, not any kind of the programming language, right? We are just moving on the newer era of the PHP. It is for the processing, right? So processing means it stands for not for the programming but for the scripting. What is the difference between these two terms? What is the programming and what do you mean by the scripting? Okay, as friends, you know that in programming languages you have to go with some of the complex logics and the business ideas. To evaluate some of the things, you must have to write some of the extraordinary coding within it, right? As like the different programming language for the C, C++, Java and Python, etc. etc. We can get consider these kind of the languages are the programming language, but some of the languages are based on the scripting. Means it recommended the tags or scripting to write some of the things for the script or the programming. Scripting languages, as the example like HTML, you know that, right? Hypertext markup language. Another, it is the ASP, active server pages. This PHP, hypertext preprocessor, and JSP, Java server pages, right? Or Java servlets. So etc. These kind of the languages are on the base of the scripting language. Means what? Each and every time, for each and every type of the coding, you must have to go for the specific kind of the scripting for the purpose, right? Means each and every time, if you want to write any of the things within this, you must have to write a specific pre-mentioned tagged over there, right? Okay, yes, the tag is some of the portion of the coding which is encoded by the brackets, angular brackets, right? So, or we can say that in between the greater than and the less than signs, right? Okay.